Your business loses money without these hints. Welcome to the course 100 Hints to Save Money on Software for Your Business. Ben works for a business as you are. Today he is going to start the development of the application for it, and he wants to know the process of the software development cycle. How to avoid mistakes, save time and money, and make it done in time. I will show you critical things you should be aware of to get success. Requirement analysis and design are the most critical steps. On step number 1, first of all, check your competitors. Install their applications. Use it by yourself. Or if it is a website, test it as well. Write down all things you like and all things you don't. Read the reviews of their users and write down their concerns. I recommend you to focus mostly on bad things to avoid them in your product. On step number 2, ask critical questions about the technology you are going to use. For example, how are we going to maintain the app and add new features? Is it easy to find new developers to work on our product? Will we use an out-of-box solution or will it be custom? Always keep in mind, if it is custom, it will cost more. If it is rare technology or programming language, it will cost more. And most important thing is adding features, scaling the app, and maintaining the existing, because many features come after the product has been released. On step number 3, think about communication. How will the business communicate with the development team? How high is the person's technical level that will transform business needs in development tasks? As high the technical level of the person, as faster and cheaper will be development process. Also, clarify how often the development team will provide the milestone results. What is the best way of communication in the team? Email, phone, or in person? On step number 4, test without rush. At least test it manually, and all bugs and defects put it on the list. If you want your product better from the code point of view, it's supposed to be covered by automation tests. On step number 5, you should analyze the results. After release, you should track analytics all the time. To follow your performance, you can use a free tool from Firebase called Crashlytics. It will show if something goes wrong and you have critical issues in your app. If you want more free examples and tips, get the list of free applications that will improve your business, get a free business consultation to save your time and money, join my Facebook group in the links below and subscribe to this channel right now.